Alright, what we're going to do right now is we're going to show you guys how to wobble. Now this is called a wobble chair, and well, this is obviously where you wobble here. So you want to get in the chair like this, you want to sit down in it, you want to make sure that your legs are between the pointed part right here. You want to put this part through your legs, sit down on it like this, and you want to grab the handles. Now there's a little handle here, sometimes it's on the front of the chair, sometimes on the back. You want to push on that handle. When you sit on it, the chair is going to go down, and when you lift up, the chair is going to go up. So just figure out where you feel comfortable, where a good spot for you is. I like to get on here like this, and I put my feet on here like this, and I just get in here like this. Now you want to hold on to the handles, because you don't want to fall back here, because then you can hurt yourself. But you want to get in here and just sort of start off and rock all the way forward, and go all the way back. All the way forward, all the way back. And you're trying to get as much motion in here as possible. You want to just loosen things up, you want to get the muscles more active, and just get in here and just try to increase that range of motion. Do about 25 repetitions forward and backward, and then once you're done that, go to the sides. And same thing, go to the sides, forward and backward. It doesn't really matter what you do with your neck. When I do it, I like to go like this and just kind of stretch it as much as you can, and just get in here like that. Once you do that, then you're actually going to start the wobbling exercise. Now what this is like, it's like if you think of a bow tie or a figure eight on its side, is simulating the normal walking motion when you go kind of back and forth like this. And what you do is you put your left hip forward, your left hip back, your right hip forward, your right hip back. I know that looks a little bit weird, but left forward, left back, right forward, right back. Left forward, left back, right forward, right back. Does that make sense? Just kind of like that. Now, if you have any back pain, or if your spine's not lined up as how it should be, or if you've got inflammation in there, then obviously some of these are going to cause you some discomfort. Now, don't force it if it hurts, but just try to get in there and just gently try to increase the range of motion. Now, you want to do this before you get adjusted. Your discs are a water or gel-like substance, and it's kind of like, I guess, Jello. If you take Jello out of the fridge, put it in the microwave, heat it up, you can pretty much put it into any shape you want if you pour it into a mold. Same thing with your discs. They're like a gel-like substance. We heat them up, and then I adjust you. They're going to harden about 20 minutes later in a new position. So this is how we can kind of reshape your spine and change your structure too. So you want to do this before you come in and get adjusted. Look at the clock. You're going to want to do it for 9 minutes, and you're going to want to do this at home as well. Now, I don't have you do the wobble chair at home. I have you get a Valio ball, and you do the same thing there. Not quite as effective, but it still works. So again, you want to do this for 9 minutes, forward, backward, to the sides, and you do the wobble motion. One last thing, when you go forward, take a deep breath in, breathe out when you go back, and contract your abs when you go forward. That'll help oxygenate your tissues, and it'll help strengthen your core. Awesome.